6 shots of espresso. Yeah! Whoa! I do it! We're amped today. Wow. Try to turn this down a little bit because I'm starting to. Today, we're just going to be working on prepping the rest of the kitchen area here. We're going to prep the dining room, get it all laid down and everything like that so I can go ahead and shoot with the gun because I don't want to have any more overspray. I don't want to take, 1 step forward and 4 steps back like I've been doing. So we're going to try to do things right. So let's get stuck in. So got pretty much all the prep done here in the kitchen and in the dining room, which is freaking awesome. Pretty stoked about that. We go back here in the bedrooms. We got the doors set up so that we can spray them as well. You see, just got them stuck up in here. Turn the light on, all right. And you see, we just used a yardstick. Freaking screw up there, screw over there. That way I can get in here with the gun, shoot inside, shoot the outside. Same thing. We've got got an odd number of doors, so we just 2 yardsticks, shoot it and everything like that. So got the rest of the doors over here in the master bedroom. Shoot them off. That'll be pretty easy. And yeah, just rock and roll, man. Pretty stoked. My buddy Adam came on over, gave us a hand today, and everything like that. He's got a YouTube channel over there. I'll let him just tell you all about it and whatnot.
I am also Adam.
Yeah.
My channel is Adam NDJ. I mostly do moto vlogs, but I also do like build videos and I make stuff, and that's what I do.
Heck yeah, man. So we'll leave a link up here. We'll be up, here. Oh, yeah, up there, be a tag, so you guys can check it out and everything like that. But yeah, for the day then, this is where we're gonna leave off. We're gonna come back in the morning, do the little final prep, and then we're gonna shoot it, all right? What's going on, everybody? Back at the house today, and we're gonna wrap up prepping here in the kitchen and the dining room and just get right back in it. Only a few things that we gotta do. As you can see right here along the floor, we gotta fill in that. Let's see here overhead. I'm gonna throw the black or the old plastic back in here so that we can paint the metal going here and not have to worry about it getting on the new LED lights. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to pull out the hardware on the door here so that I can spray paint the door, and then I think we're pretty much good to go. I don't believe there's a whole lot more left to prep. Oh, shoot. Wow, look right at that. I need to cover that window. Man, that almost happened. So let's go ahead, get these few things knocked out, and then get spraying. All right, guys, so got the paint on the wall, you know, move the halogen on here a little bit. That looks okay. We're gonna come back in. Obviously those lines there are the bars on the guard, but gonna have to, you know, probably do second coat and stuff like that. You look over here, got this paint done, and the ceiling, and down here into this hallway. Man, this kind of sucked. It's still freaking pretty thick in there, and I'm still sucking fumes. Wow, I can tell you that closets, I hate them. I absolutely hate closets. I need better ventilation. So, but yeah, it's rough. Let me put you on the tripod here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here, focus up. Okay. Oh. So, yeah, we got this down. I'm feeling all right. Melissa came in after work and she's helping like back roll and stuff like that and get us all knocked out and everything like that. So it's good stuff. I know that once it's dry tomorrow, I'm gonna come in and touch stuff up, but that's okay. It's good, it's good. We're making progress and I'm happy. A lot happened today. A lot happened today. Yeah, a real lot happened today. So, as always, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button. There you go. Like button's right there. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. And if you do subscribe, if you do, go ahead and hit that notification bell because that's going to let you know every single time I put up a video. So, until the next time, we'll see you later. Oh. Yeah, there's the wife. Say hi. She wants to be an asshole and start fucking with me on camera. Oh, is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah,
okay.
So you have the intro and outro or whatever the...
Alright, it's fine, you go ahead and do it. And cut.
You're not recording, you're just being an ass.
Yeah, I'm recording. And I'm an ass.